Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day in this one. Big volume, but you got to give credit where credit's due, and I realize I'm stating the obvious here, but within the day itself, a good solid bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that the price was spending a whole lot of time down here, and all of a sudden the price has worked its way up to where it has. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. My point is that, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it's been able to bounce up to, good solid move, but that does now bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this level here going forward at the $1.30 mark. Why is the $1.30 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $1.30, behave in that manner, then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $1.30. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep a close eye on that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. Current value up there right around, we'll call it the $1.45 mark. So you'll want to watch that from the resistance side of things. But all in all, any angle you look at it, looking at where the price was at its lows to now where it's worked itself up to, definitely a nice move. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.